We live in suburbia in a house at the bottom of a hill, so it gets very windy here. We call this Windybottom. So here we are at Windybottom backyard, and my name is Christy, and I'm going to take you on a tour of my backyard. So right here you can see we have our chicken coop. Hello ladies, how are you? But if you look at the other side of our house, we've got all kinds of debris and trash. I have some pallets here and also some frames from, these are silkscreen frames. And this is just good wood for me to build some stuff with. I mean, it's old, but hey, it's going to be outside in the garden anyway. These are my dragon fruit plants, and behind them right here is a California grape, and then there's another one right here. And this is nice and shady. This is where I'm going to put a patio. I got to take out all this ivy here because I don't like ivy. So behind me right here is a side yard, and it's kind of shady, but there's a lot of palm trees and a lot of debris, and it's very overgrown, and I need to take a lot of that out. I was hoping to plant raspberries back here eventually. So, but this is going to take a lot of work. This is probably the most work that I have. Right now, because of gophers, my garden in the backyard is in these grow bags, which, I mean, it's a solution, but they're not the most beautiful solutions. And that right there is something that I got off of the corner. Somebody left it out for the trash, and it is, this is a trellis that I use for my spaghetti squash.